So if you are pursuing a career in surgery and are very willing to gain an international postgraduate degree in a shortest possible of time, then the membership of Royal College of Surgeons, MRCS, is the best option for you. Today, I am Dr. Fawzia is going to discuss all about MRCS guideline, its exam formats, its exam structures, and what to do to pass the MRCS in for your first attempt. So what is MRCS? So MRCS degree is given by the 4 renowned college of Royal College of Surgeons in United Kingdom. What are the 4 colleges? RCS England, in Glasgow, in Ireland, and Edinburgh. This degree is intercollegiated. That means all 4 colleges are interconnected. Doesn't matter in which college you appeared, the question will be the same. So don't afraid or don't hesitate which college you should do first. But remember, the final part from which college you will be taken, your degree will be accredited by that particular college. So what's the qualifications to appear on MRCS degree? If you passed your primary medical qualifications, in short MBBS, that's solely enough to appear on MRCS Part A degree. Internship completion is not mandatory. So it's open for everyone, right? So what about the Part B? Do you need any training? No, it doesn't. Do you need any IELTS? No. So you see, it's a very easy steps to pass all the steps of MRCS right after passing MBBS. So what are the exam formats? MRCS has 2 parts. One is Part A and another one is Part B or OSCE. In Part A is solely based on single-based questions. You have to answer 300 questions in 5 hours. So there are 2 papers. One is paper 1 that includes 180 questions need to be answered in 3 hours. You have a recession gap in between, and then you will appear for the paper 2. That is principle of surgery that includes 120 questions in 2 hours. All questions are single best answer. There are no negative markings, so try to answer all questions. What includes in paper 1? So paper 1 includes all the basic subjects like anatomy, physiology, and pathology. The paper 2 consists of all the principles of surgery. So the general surgery, perioperative care, cardiothoracic surgery, urology, plastic surgery, neurosurgery, all other relevant surgical branches you know of, and some of the biostatistical questions will be appeared on the paper 2. MRCS Part A is now conducted online. So you can sit for the MRCS Part A in Bangladesh, India, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Malaysia, Bahrain, or even UK through Pearson VUA Center. So you have to go to a center physically, and on that center you will give the exam through the laptop or on the PC given by the center to you. What are the exam fee? The MRCS Part A is £579 nowadays, and for the Part B it varies. Approximately it is £1,050 nowadays. So exam sessions, MRCS Part A conducted throughout the year in 3 sessions: January, May, and September. Career opportunities. If you passed MRCS, is a recognized post-graduation degree internationally. So you have a very good chance to go through either in the NHS in UK or in the Middle East. And even if your own country like Bangladesh and India, there is a good opportunity of corporate jobs, and you will be a respected physician among your colleagues. This degree will give you a very good chance to enter in the NHS, and if you have a very good surgical experience in your own country, you will have a very good chance to enter directly as a consultant, like an ST3 consultant in the UK and any Middle East country. To have a complete preparations for MRCS Part A, DrAcademy made a structured preparations. We will give you lecture sheets, the lecture video. We have a dedicated recall sessions. We have dedicated Fawzia sessions. Everything designed in a concise way that will boost up your preparations. So you don't need to subscribe any other online subscriptions. Everything in a single place. We have a dedicated e-learning platform that you can access at any time, anywhere. You can be on the job, you can be on the home, you can be at the recesses, anywhere. You can access the e-learning platform that gives you all the possible guidelines and the lecture note sheets. Everything is there. So dear doctors, I'd like to welcome all of you to join with DrAcademy to have a good preparations for pass MRCS degree, and wish you all the best to your journey to UK. Thank you very much.